Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract abundance, success, and love into their lives? It's not luck or coincidence. It's the power of manifestation. Manifestation is the transformative process of bringing your dreams and desires into tangible reality. Through envisioning your goals, establishing clear intentions, and integrating positive affirmations into your daily routine, you can pave the way for a life filled with abundance. In this step-by-step guide to manifestation before sleep, we will explore the techniques and practices that can help you manifest your dreams. So, get ready to learn the secrets of manifesting abundance and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Let's dive into the world of manifestation techniques and start attracting success, love, and wealth today. Step 1. Set clear intentions. Before you drift off to sleep, take a few moments to set clear intentions for what you want to manifest. When you have a clear idea of what you want, you can direct your energy towards achieving it. Use positive, present tense language and avoid vague or negative statements. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be lonely," try, "I attract and manifest loving relationships." By setting clear intentions, you're providing the universe with a roadmap towards your desired outcome. Manifestation techniques are centered around your thoughts, energy, and emotions. When you set clear intentions, you're focused on what you want and how you want to feel. By doing so, you're more likely to attract abundance and success in all areas of your life. You can write down your intentions in a journal, say them out loud, or simply visualize them in your mind. Whatever method you choose, make sure it resonates with you and brings you closer to your goals. Step 2. Create a relaxing environment for your manifestation practice. When it comes to manifestation, creating a relaxing environment can have a profound impact on your ability to attract your desires. To manifest your goals, it is essential to harness the power of your subconscious mind, and a calm and serene space can facilitate this process. Here are some manifestation techniques to help you create a relaxing environment. Eliminate distractions. Before starting your manifestation practice, eliminate any distractions in your surroundings. Turn off your phone, television, and any other electronics that might disrupt your focus. This will help you connect with your inner self and bring clarity to your intentions. Set the mood. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a peaceful and calming environment. Use soft and warm lighting to create a soothing atmosphere. You can also use candles or essential oils to help you relax and set the mood for your manifestation practice. Choose a comfortable space. Choose a space that is comfortable for you. It can be a cozy corner in your bedroom or a spot in your living room. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable and at ease in your chosen space. Incorporate nature. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body. Bringing elements of nature into your space can enhance your manifestation practice. You can add plants, flowers, or natural stones to your surroundings to promote a sense of tranquility and harmony. By creating a relaxing environment for your manifestation practice, you can set the stage for success. Keep in mind that the key to manifestation is to approach it with a positive and optimistic mindset. With consistency and dedication, you can attract abundance, prosperity, and joy into your life. Step 3. Bedtime Visualization. Bedtime visualization is a powerful technique that can help you program your subconscious mind to attract your desired outcomes. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Visualize yourself in a specific situation or scenario that represents your manifestation. Immerse yourself in the experience, using all your senses to make it as real as possible. For example, if you're manifesting abundance, visualize yourself surrounded by wealth and abundance. See yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car and spending money freely without any worries. Feel the joy and happiness that comes with having all your needs met. The key here is to focus on the feeling of having what you desire rather than the lack of it. When you feel good, you attract more things to feel good about according to the law of attraction. With consistent practice, bedtime visualization can become a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. Take some time each night to visualize your goals and watch as the universe conspires to make them a reality. Step 4. Positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are a powerful manifestation technique that can transform your beliefs and attitudes toward success. By incorporating positive affirmations into your bedtime routine, you can reprogram your subconscious mind for achievement and abundance. The key is to create affirmations that resonate with your desires and goals. For example, if you want to attract a better health and vibrant life, your affirmation could be, "I am in vibrant health, radiating vitality and strength. My body is a temple of well-being, nurtured by love, nourishing food and positive thoughts. Every breath fills me with energy, and I am grateful for the joy of living a vibrant life." Repeat this affirmation to yourself several times before sleep and visualize yourself already experiencing the abundance you seek. Remember, the power of positive affirmations lies in their ability to shift your mindset from lack to abundance. Instead of dwelling on what you don't have, focus on what you want to attract into your life and affirm it as if it's already yours. Use the power of positive affirmations to empower your manifestations and accelerate success in all areas of your life. Step 5. Gratitude reflection. Expressing gratitude is a powerful way to attract abundance and positivity into your life. Before drifting off to sleep, take a few moments to reflect on the things you are thankful for. This practice not only cultivates a grateful mindset, but also helps shift your focus towards the good in your life, rather than dwelling on the negatives. To begin your gratitude reflection, think about the people, experiences, and possessions that bring joy and fulfillment into your life. As you reflect on these things, allow yourself to feel the positive emotions associated with them, such as love, happiness, and contentment. Repeat these experiences or visualize them briefly in your mind's eye. As you express gratitude regularly, you will begin to notice a positive shift in your mindset and your overall outlook on life. Gratitude reflection can be a transformative manifestation technique that attracts abundance and success into your life. So take a few moments every night to reflect on the blessings in your life and watch as positive change unfolds. Step 6. Subliminal affirmations. Subliminal affirmations and visualization are powerful tools for manifesting your desires. By incorporating these practices into your bedtime routine, you can direct your subconscious mind towards your goals and attract abundance into your life. Listen to subliminal recordings that reinforce your positive affirmations and intentions. By incorporating subliminal affirmations and visualization into your bedtime routine, you can accelerate the manifestation process and bring your dreams into reality. Step 7. Breathe and let go. Relaxing breathing exercises help calm the mind and release stress, making it an effective technique to incorporate into your bedtime manifestation routine. Begin by inhaling deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and then exhaling through your mouth slowly and steadily. Repeat this for several minutes until you feel your mind and body relax. Another important aspect of manifestation is learning to release control and surrender to the universe. The release and surrender ritual can help you let go of any resistance or attachment to specific outcomes. Take a few deep breaths and bring to your mind any limiting beliefs or anxieties that block your manifestation. Visualize these beliefs and anxieties leaving your body, and then release them with your exhale. Surrender and trust that the universe will bring you what you desire at the right time and in the right way. This technique may take some practice, but with consistency, it can lead to a greater sense of peace and alignment with your manifestation goals. You are now equipped with powerful manifestation techniques to attract your dreams into your life before sleep. Remember that the law of attraction responds to your thoughts and emotions, so keep your focus on positive outcomes. Use these manifestation techniques consistently and trust in the process. As you begin to see results, maintain a grateful mindset and express gratitude for all the good that comes into your life. Remember that the universe is abundant and there is enough for everyone to live their dreams. Manifesting abundance, success, love, and wealth is possible with the power of manifestation techniques. Stay committed to your goals, believe in yourself and the universe, and watch your dreams unfold. You have the power to create the life you desire. Start manifesting your dreams today.